Hey everyone! So in this video, we're going to do a little tutorial on how you're going to take some math assessments, little quizzes, little check-ins, just a way for us teachers to continue to use questions that we use in our workbooks, in our textbooks, and tests that we took before we were at home. So our books have an online version, and the way we got our tests was we would used to print them out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to assign them online. So I'm going to teach you how you're going to do that. So over the weekend, your parents got a PDF that looks like this up on our screen, okay? So this PDF has all of your names on it. Okay, next to your name, if I go to Amelia, I'm going to see her username and her password. And you can see all of your passwords are Walheim1. If you're in another class, you might have a different password. But all of your usernames are your first letter of your first name and your last name. Okay? Except Mac, I did Mac. So you're M. Vanderweg. I apologize. So this is important, so you can ask your parents for this. I'm also going to put it under classwork, okay, in classroom materials. So that's important. So what you'll do is you'll go onto the internet and you're going to go to sadlierconnect.com. Okay, so I'll even type it in again. sadlierconnect.com. And it's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. Then you're going to type in your username. So I actually have a student account as well. So I'm going to type in mine, but you would do your first letter of your first name and your last name. Mine has numbers, yours does not. And then my password is Walheim1, okay? Then I'm going to log in. When you log in, your screen is going to look exactly like this. Okay, so you're going to see all these different things, but the most important thing is you're going to see under assignments, and you'll see under my assignment, I have a little notification, okay? So this is going to be a math assignment, all right? So you're going to press it, and this is a review of what we've done in chapter 10. So I already started this. And this is what your chapter reviews or your chapter quizzes or your chapter tests are going to look like from now on. They're going to be online, and they're going to look like this. So in our review, now we did this a long time ago, I have 2/3 of 45. Okay, so you should, when you're doing these, have maybe some loose leaf or your math copybook or some paper and a pencil so you can practice the problems. So you'll see that it says 2/3 of 45. So with your paper and pencil, you're going to write that out, right? 2/3 of 45. Now, if you remember, we used to ask ourselves, okay, how many times does 3 go into 45? Now, if you can't think of that right off the bat, you know long division, right? And we know that 3 goes into 45 15 times, right? So if 3 goes into 45 15 times, what's 2 times 15? 30, right? So that's going to be, so then it will save automatically. So I'm going to press next. Number 2 says, which fractions are equivalent to 1/2? And you're going to select all that applies. Okay, so you're going to do that for all 15 questions. When you're done, you're then going to press submit, and then it will send it to me. Okay, so that is how you're going to be doing this. So you know how to log in now. Okay, you know how to answer the questions. It's important to always have scrap paper because if you have a major question, you can always send it to a teacher or someone that can look over it, okay? But if you have any more questions about how to log on or how to answer some of these, they're all going to be multiple choice. Some might have to type in a question or an answer. But this is going to be really, really important as we go forward in math. If you have any questions, let me know. See ya!